Here at the engine bay of the Forza, you have access to the transmission fluid, the engine oil, the dipstick, and the filler tube, the radiator fluid, all right here, easily accessible. Here we are at the rear of the Forza on the driver's side, the rear left corner. These are the chassis batteries. They only operate the engine and the engine components. They don't do anything with the coach. Next to the chassis batteries are some fuses for stuff like the entrance step power, the slide out ram power, coach breaker panel, a few other things here. Also, these panels are easily removable to get at the wiring should service personnel need to. Here at the rear of the Forza, we have our DEF tank, diesel exhaust fluid. Filler tube is here, filler cap. There is a gauge here to tell if you're full or empty, and there's also one in the dash. Also in this compartment is an electrical cord. To use it, just pull it out. We have the quick port utility hatch to use. There's two little tabs in the middle. You pull those towards each other, then you can drop the hatch, open up the little door on the hatch, and then you have to finagle the cord into that opening, then pull the little two tabs back out, and you're set. Here at the Forza Water Center and Drainage Center, you have your connection for the sewer hose, the whole house filter, a little bit of a shower to kind of wash your hands or wash your feet off. We have the back to the black waste tank flush inlet, fresh water inlet, the tank fill or normal, water pump switch, you need that here, the light for here. To connect up your sewer hose, we have another utility port here, quick port. Just drop her down, lay your hose in there, and connect right up. Same thing for the water. We have another quick port here with a little door hatch on it. So you just lay your hose in that, put her up, and that keeps the critters out. Forza pass-through storage. Here on the Forza driver's side front, we have the LP compartment. Since this is LP, it cannot be locked, but we do add a little bit of storage here and some storage up here. Forza has dual fuel fills. We're on the driver's side, right behind the front driver wheel. There's the driver's side fuel fill. Forza driver's side, on the very front, we have some more fuses for the chassis. And then down here is the latch to open up the front hood to get to the generator. Here in the front of the Forza to gain access to the generator. I've already pulled the latch to unlatch it, which is in the driver's side front compartment. Just pull the door down. Here you've got access to some of the controls on the generator, the oil fill, and the oil check dipstick, and the wiper washer fluid. Forza dual fuel fill on the passenger side. Forza exterior TV and entertainment center. There's the TV, there's a strap on the bottom, pull it down, pull the TV out. TV can rotate around for different viewing angles. Push it back in, hear it snap, drop the door. On the Forza we have a pet leash tie down. You just snap in, or you can hook in your loop, your handle. On the Forza 36, this is our water tank compartment on the passenger side towards the rear. We've got the bypass tube, bypass valve, water drains. Here's the tank drain. And right here is our tank sensor, accurate to within 1%, but we only show 3%. Here we have the Forza inverter and inverter battery disconnect switch. Here we have the Forza coach batteries on the passenger side rear corner. We have 4 batteries in there and a spot for 2 more should the customer want to add them. Here on the Forza, we have an industry-wide exclusive full perimeter undercarriage lighting. Little button on the dash, you turn them on, connect in with your phone, and you can change the color, you can make them dance. It's up to you.